Hey everyone, Michael Bodner here. It's been a long time. What am I driving right now? This is the BMW i4. If you haven't seen any of my videos in the past, I'm a long-time Tesla Model 3 owner, starting with a very low VIN 2018. Wanted to upgrade when the new hardware came out. That was in 2021. Car was a dud. Fortunately, with rising used car costs, was able to flip that one for a profit. Ended up with a 2022 dual motor now. So again, 4+ years of Tesla ownership. And frankly, I'm just getting bored and a little tired of them not being good at regular car stuff. Regular car stuff, what do I mean? Things like rear cross traffic alert, which you can see up right now as I'm parked in this spot here in this BMW. Having more information for the driver while you're driving in your line of sight. Including which you can see it just a little bit, the heads-up display. Not sure if I love the heads-up display, but how about, as you just saw, functioning auto wipers? I don't know about you guys with your Tesla Model 3s, but mine just don't work. They chatter all over the place and they just never work. Over here to the infotainment screen, one of the things with Tesla, the big advantage to Tesla is they're a software company and they just happen to make cars. So their technology is great. I challenge that just a little bit. I think their technology is their biggest strength and simultaneously their biggest weakness. So for instance, I like listening to audiobooks when I drive and I want to use Audible. Well, I'm at the mercy of Tesla developing an Audible app. Instead, you come into a car like this BMW that has Apple CarPlay, like most cars these days, and sure enough, you'll be able to use Audible. Obviously, I haven't plugged in Apple CarPlay here. As it stands, the default infotainment system is actually really solid here in this car. You see a lot of information, including the weather, something I wish Tesla could showcase in the car, which is pretty nice. But yeah, so technology-wise, I would argue Tesla's really not that far ahead. Next up, this car has beige interior, as you can see. I would order it with black, but hey, black headliner. Something Tesla has not figured out on the Model 3. I just don't know why. All told, I wanted to make this video short and sweet, but how about ambient lighting in the doors? That's a nice feature there. Customizable colors, things you would expect in modern cars. They've simplified the controls here. It's not as overwhelming as it used to be. You get a nice wireless phone charger in there. Your iDrive wheel, which controls the screen. Just the right amount of buttons is what I'm trying to say here. Having just the right amount of buttons is a nice thing. Just the right amount of buttons on the steering wheel, on the wiper stalk, on the turn signal stalk, lighting controls, door locks, your mirror controls, memory seats. It's all easy to access. This is the standard E40. It's got the basic seats as well, but you can see even just the extensions in the front. These seats are actually really comfortable. They even offer air-conditioned seats. Now, I would get the upgraded seats if I do go forward with the order. But yeah, I can't say enough good things about this car. Being dead set stuck on Tesla's the only one who can make an electric car, it's just not true anymore. So big reveal time. I'm about to return this test drive vehicle and yeah, I'm placing an order. I am done with Tesla ownership. I'm going to order the BMW i4 M50 in white with black interior. Gorgeous car. I am so excited about it. I'm so happy that the market has started churning out EVs that are competitive, that are nice. And yeah, don't have enough good things to say about this car. Just wanted to keep it short and sweet here for the channel and let you know that the next video you see, probably be a while, but I'll be driving a BMW i4. Until then, hope you all have a good one. Bye.
5 minutes later.
All right, so I just got back in my car. Just wanted to add a couple of final takes here. Here's why I'm ordering the BMW, which they just told me might be a 1-year wait. It's good at being a car. And I think that's what Tesla has gotten away from with so many gimmicks and toys and fart noises and just stuff you don't need. I want regular car stuff to work well. Good door handles, the car's quiet inside, the Tesla's so noisy, working wipers, hate the wipers in my Tesla, all the apps you could want through Apple CarPlay, the right amount of buttons, not too many, but enough, and the ones you want. That car didn't have the premium interior, but even still, just a fit and finish, how everything felt inside, also so much better. I just, I had a love affair with Tesla, but it's just a little too basic. And I personally am a minimalist. It needs more. And yeah, so that's it. I'll be placing the order on Monday, and the 1-year wait begins. So next video, due out in about a year. We'll see you then. Bye, everyone.